Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Pixelverse to Metamask. Open Telegram. Search for Pixeltap by Pixelverse and tap on it from the search results. Tap on Start. Next, tap on Launch Bot. Tap on Launch. Tap on Start to subscribe to the channel. Tap Next multiple times to proceed. Navigate to Earn and open the Wallet section. Choose Metamask as your wallet option. You will need to enter the deposit address. To obtain this, switch back to your Metamask app. Open Metamask and tap on Get Started. Create a new wallet by tapping on Create a new wallet. Agree to the terms and conditions, then tap on Accept. Once your wallet is set up, select the coin you want to use. Copy the deposit address provided by Metamask. Return to Telegram and paste the copied address into the provided field. Confirm by tapping Done or Submit. This process completes the connection of Pixelverse to Metamask, allowing you to manage your transactions seamlessly. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.